Want to add a little pizzazz to your next whiteboard chat display? With a few clicks, you can change the background color, add animations, and even add a border. In this video, I will show you how to do 3 things that can make your boards more visually appealing. Let's jump right into it. To change the background color, click the Actions icon, scroll down and select Set Background. When the color grid window opens up, decide on the color that you want, click it, and it will automatically change the background. Now let's include a few pictures to add animations to the board. To do this, go to Gizmos, and you can select pictures from there, or you can type in the names in the search box. Once you've positioned the pictures where you want them, right-click on it, select Animations, and then Animate Move. Then you'd want to trace the direction in which you want the picture to move. You also have the option to have the object rotate in place. Just select Animate, and then Animate Rotate. And you can also have it move as it's rotating. And at any point in time, you can easily pause animations by going to the toolbox and selecting Pause Animations. So let's add a border to keep all of these animals fenced in. To do that, we're going to go to Gizmos, and let's type in fence. Select that. Right-click on it. Then you're going to search for Set Border. And as you can see, it appears around your entire board. It's pretty simple, and your students would just love it. So consider giving it a try and let me know how it works out for you by commenting down below. As always, thanks for watching. And to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.